Organizational communication. What is organization? An organization is a deliberate arrangement of people to accomplish some specific purpose. Deliberate arrangement of people or group of individuals with the aim to achieve some purpose is called an organization. Communication. It is an exchange of ideas, plans, knowledge and information. What is organizational communication? All pattern, network, and system of communication within an organization. In an organization or organizational communication pattern, two types, formal and informal. Formal communication or formal organizational communication. Communication that takes place within the prescribed organizational work arrangement. For example, the manager asks his employee to do a task. Informal communication is not defined by an organizational structure, hierarchy, that is, manager to subordinate or subordinate to manager. It is just informally or simply takes place, for example, employees' conversation during a lunch. Purpose of informal communication, social interaction, and enhance organizational performance. According to the flow of communication or direction of communication, organizational communication involve downward, upward, lateral, and diagonal. Upward communication is from a subordinate to a supervisor. Lateral communication is to a co-worker or the communication among co-workers or colleagues. Downward communication involve communication from a manager to a subordinate. Diagonal communication between one department and with the another department or interdepartmental communication. Downward communication, it flows downward from a manager to an employee. For example, president to vice president and vice president of production and marketing. Then from vice president of production to assistant vice president plan 1, assistant vice president plan 2. So that is from a manager to his subordinate is a downward communication. About upward communication, it flows upward from employee to manager, that is from subordinate to superiors. Lateral communication takes place among any employees on the same organizational level. The organizational level, this is the purchase manager, that is a middle management. So the managers of purchase, production, quality control and sales communicate each other or exchange information, that is called a lateral communication. Or the workers of a different department communicate with each other, that is lateral communication. Diagonal communication that cut across the work area and organizational level, that is top management, and this is the middle management, and this is the lower level management. So it cut across different levels of communication. That means the lower level workers or lower level managerial level people communicate directly with the middle level managers. That is called a diagonal communication. An example about organizational communication network. Communication network means the variety of patterns of vertical and horizontal flow of organizational communication. The flow of vertical and horizontal communication patterns is called organizational communication. It includes chain organization, wheel organization, and all channel organization. In chain organization, communication flows from superior to subordinate and from subordinate to superior. There is no communication between subordinate to the top level management. Top level to middle level to lower level, or lower level to middle level to upper level. In wheel communication, there is communication between top to middle level and top to lower level. In all channel communication, there will be communication between different levels of management, that is top to middle level, middle to top level. It includes chain communication, then wheel communication from top to lower level, Other channel is the inter-level, that is interdepartmental, and also from subordinate to middle level, etc. So communication occurs in all different directions. About informal communication, that is grapevine communication. The informal organizational communication network is called the grapevine network. About organizational communication context. There are four contexts: public, small group, interview, and brief encounter. In public context, the speaker addresses an audience of several people. In small group context, the discussion between 3 to 20 people who interact in a face-to-face manner to achieve some goal. Interview context, it is an interaction or communication between two people. Brief encounter context occurs two people who interact freely to share information or to reach agreement on an idea. This is brief about organizational communication. Thank you.